Welcome back to AS Automotive Review, the place where power meets precision, where machines are more than metal, they're marvels of engineering. Today, we're diving deep into something that's built not for the highways, but for the heart of agriculture. This isn't your average truck or SUV review. This is something different, something bold. Today, we're taking a close, professional look at the legendary John Deere 8R series tractor, a name that stands tall in the world of modern farming. Whether you're in the agricultural business, a machinery enthusiast, or just a fan of engineering excellence, what you're about to see will keep you watching till the very end. Let's talk about presence. The first thing you notice when you walk up to the John Deere 8R is its sheer physical dominance. Massive wheels, bold lines, and that iconic green and yellow color scheme, it's unmistakable. It doesn't just look like a tractor, it looks like the future of farming. This isn't a machine you just use. It's a machine you command. The aggressive stance, the high ground clearance, and the signature LED lighting system all come together to create a tractor that's not only functional but absolutely intimidating in the field. Now let's get into the muscle. Underneath that massive hood lies the heart of the 8R series, the PowerTech 9.0L engine, a beast that pushes out up to 410 horsepower depending on the model. And it's not just about brute power. This engine is designed for efficiency, endurance, and torque delivery. When you're pulling implements through rough terrain, in wet fields, or hauling massive loads, the 8R doesn't flinch. It digs deep and delivers relentless performance. And with the IVT infinitely variable transmission system, gear shifts are seamless, no jerks, no lags, just smooth, consistent power flow. John Deere isn't just building machines, they're building smart machines. That's where the 8R series really shines. It's packed with advanced technology that transforms traditional farming into precision agriculture. At the center of this is the command center display, a touchscreen interface that controls everything from GPS-guided auto steering to real-time implement feedback. You can set field boundaries, monitor fuel usage, optimize tire pressure, and even remotely access diagnostics. Every button, every sensor, every line of code is designed to help the operator do more, in less time, with pinpoint accuracy. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the cabin, the operator's command center. Step inside, and you're greeted with something that feels more like the cockpit of a premium SUV than a tractor. This is no exaggeration. From the active seat to suspension system that smooths out every bump and jolt, to the ergonomic seat with heating, ventilation, and even massage options in higher trims, this is comfort redefined. The cabin is whisper quiet, with noise insulation that shuts out the harsh external world. Large windows give you 360-degree visibility. Everything is at your fingertips, including integrated Bluetooth, satellite radio, and climate control. If you're spending 10 to 12 hours in the field, this is the kind of environment that keeps fatigue at bay and productivity high. But a tractor isn't judged by its looks or tech alone. It's judged by what it can do in the toughest conditions. The 8R series delivers on every front. Its frame is stronger and more durable than ever, designed to handle the stress of large-scale farming. With dual wheels, customizable ballast options, and multiple hitch configurations, this tractor adapts to your needs. Whether it's row cropping, heavy tillage, or planting season, it's got the flexibility and raw power to dominate. One of the standout features is the JD Link connectivity system. With JD Link, farmers and operators can monitor, analyze, and manage the machine in real time from anywhere in the world. Want to know how your machine is performing mid-task? Need to run a remote diagnostic or send a software update to the onboard system? It's all just a few clicks away. This kind of remote management isn't just convenience, it's revolutionary for modern agriculture. Now let's talk about something that's often overlooked: fuel economy. Despite its size and power, the 8R series is engineered for fuel efficiency. The diesel particulate filter (DPF) and exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) systems reduce emissions without compromising performance. The fuel tank is large enough for long days in the field, and the intelligent engine management system ensures that every drop of diesel is used as efficiently as possible. You get more work done, with fewer stops, and lower operational costs. Durability and serviceability also take center stage. John Deere knows these machines work in some of the harshest conditions, so every panel, filter, and component is designed for quick access and easy maintenance. Whether it's regular fluid checks or replacing key parts, everything is built to minimize downtime. And when you do need service, John Deere's extensive global support network makes sure help is never too far away. Now, let's address what many potential buyers or operators often ask: how does it feel to actually drive the 8R series? In one word, empowering. With the auto guidance systems engaged, you're not fighting the controls. You're managing an ecosystem. You feel the machine syncing with the soil, reacting to gradients, adapting to loads, all without breaking stride. It's not just about steering a tractor, it's about orchestrating a workflow, and the 8R makes that incredibly intuitive. And then there's the customization. The 8R series offers multiple configurations, including wheeled, tracked, and combination options. You can tailor it with different tire setups, lighting packages, hydraulic capacities, and even software upgrades. Whether you're a small landowner with specific needs or a large-scale commercial farmer, there's an 8R model and spec sheet that fits your operation like a glove. In terms of pricing, let's be honest, it's not cheap. But then again, excellence never is. The John Deere 8R series is an investment, not just in machinery, but in time saved, yield maximized, and operational peace of mind. With its combination of brute force, cutting-edge tech, and operator comfort, you're not just buying a tractor. You're buying confidence. Confidence that no matter the terrain, the workload, or the season, you've got the right tool for the job. Now before we wrap up, it's important to acknowledge what sets John Deere apart as a brand. It's not just the machines, it's the legacy. A name trusted by generations. And the 8R series carries that legacy forward with pride. It's a symbol of progress, of tradition meeting innovation, of hard work backed by hard science. It's not flashy for the sake of flash, it's functional excellence, wrapped in rugged, timeless design. So who is the John Deere 8R series really for? It's for the serious farmer, the professional land manager, the contractor who needs reliability and power with no compromises. It's for anyone who understands that in farming, your equipment isn't just a tool, it's a partner. A partner you can rely on when it matters most. If you've enjoyed this review and want to see more heavy machinery, trucks, SUVs, and cutting-edge automotive technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the John Deere 8R series? Would you invest in one? What's your experience with John Deere machines? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me today on As Automotive Review, where we don't just talk torque and tech, we live it. Until next time, keep the engines running, keep the wheels turning, and remember, real power begins where the road ends.